开
Muslim friend.
开宾阿杜拉玛的室内装修公司是 Interior Diamond。
My name is Hale. I'm the proud owner of this lovely house. I spent about 55,000 for the renovation. My house is a bit modern, a bit scanny also. I got some ideas through YouTube videos and magazines. My favorite picture in my house will be my living room, basically the couch in front of the TV where I will sit with my boys, enjoy movies. He gave some ideas on the colorings that I can use for my walls, how to maximize the living space in my house. I have still not decided yet, but I think most probably I will get something for the house. I would like to recommend you Renopedia. They are a good bunch of people who will recommend you good ideas to make your house a wonderful haven for you and your lovely family. Visit Renopedia for more ideas on interior design. Thank you, Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.